Good evening, everybody. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on a Saturday. It is September the 9th. We are breaking Bound Box full-size helmets. It's a one-boxer here. We randomed up our 20 remaining box numbers. 25 is what we got. We did random team sales on the left. We've already randomized teams customers. We then alphabetized everybody, did give them a chance to trade, had some offers, and nothing was accepted though. Gonna double check that one last time before we do our final reveal. I'm not hearing from Tommy Bud, so here we go, guys. Well, guys, not a monster, but still a decent hit for you guys. Going to be the Kyle Pitts Custom F7 with the visor, y'all. Beckett Witness hologram honor. Going to be an Atlanta hit, obviously, with the Kyle Pitts. Wow, gonna be a Gigi hit on that one. Took the Strahan the other night. G gonna take the Pitt here. Nice hit for G. G getting back on track there finally. He was on a bad roll for a while. Finally starting to get himself back on track there. Do my marker. GDG gonna take the Pitts F7 custom, guys. That is gonna wrap up that one boxer. We are down to 19 boxes, guys. Still got a whole lot of nice stuff left there for you, though. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even Kick. 8 p.m. Central, guys. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.